Hi everyone! In this video, we introduce you to LH Analytic Dashboard, a tool designed to help you analyze your trading statistics clearly and easily. It also includes a powerful AI-based analysis that will help you understand what areas you can improve. To upload your data, follow these steps. From the Control Center in NinjaTrader, click New, then select Trade Performance. A new window will open. Choose the account you want to analyze and the date range, then click Generate. In the Trade Performance window, go to the Trades tab. You'll see a list of all your trades. Right-click anywhere in the list, select Export and choose CSV as the file type. Then, in the dashboard, click Upload CSV. A window will open. Find the exported file. NinjaTrader usually saves it in Documents or Downloads. Once you upload your CSV file, you'll see all your trading statistics displayed in the dashboard under your account name. Click Set Goals to configure your funded account parameters. If you have more than one account, you can upload your statistics files. We hope you enjoy this tool. We'll keep improving and adding new features. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to contact us.